chopper content.
Got the bars, gas box air cleaner, just some little basic risers.
Looks cool. The air cleaner on.
Hey, shit.
Yeah. What's up, CROOKS Moto crew? It's another vlog bringing you some awesome chopper content today. The shop stuff has started. It's officially cold. Yeah, Josh, why don't you run them through what we're doing today?
Okay, do some stuff to my chopper. We're gonna add some handlebars. We're gonna put a different air cleaner on that restricts some of the air because I think I was getting too much. Been trying to dial in how it runs, but it's not really working out. So it's winter time now, and this is when you work on things like this. And also, since we've all moved, I haven't done any wrenching in my garage because I've just been working on other things and projects. So we're gonna do some chopper stuff today. So let's get this guy going, and I'll walk you guys over to my little chopper shop.
Dude, what do you guys know about the frickin' windshield on the chop? It seems so wrong, but boy was it nice in 40-degree weather today so far. But I froze half the way here, so.
Hey man, you do what you gotta do, brother.
I earned it.
I like the way it looks.
Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, this came off the Dyna lowrider, the 39 mil Dyna lowrider that we picked up over the summer. Yeah, I just figured I'd clamp it on and see how it rocks. I'm pretty much looking through right here, so that's cool. So dude, let's go check this thing out.
So this is, I have all this space here to do whatever I want with. It's kind of a little uneven ground and soft, but it's also winter time, so I'll probably work on that a bit here.
Whoa. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, now you can. Yeah.
Yeah, so I can fit both my motorcycles in here. And yeah, if I want to ride the chopper goes there because I can pick it up and move it. Basically, I just have to take my Dyna out and then I can slide my chopper rear end over and then
yep.
And then I can get it out. So anytime I want to ride this, I got to move this. But when I bring it in, it's real easy because I just bring it into the corner and then just slide the rear end over and then I can bring this guy in.
Dude, yeah, that's perfect.
So it's not super ideal, but it is more than I need, so it's great. And then there's shelving. I'm gonna probably just screw up my little pegboards up to the wall there to put some tools out so I know where they're at instead of just being stuffed in boxes and stuff. Haven't had a whole lot of motivation because it's been freezing and wet and just, it's been really rainy here. It's not super normal.
Yeah, for this time frame,
we don't get a lot of rain around here. We're in the high desert. So you want to go look at the parts or do you want to pull back south?
yeah, let's look at the parts.
Okay, they're in the house. Let's go. We'll go see Bernard too.
You guys know Bernie dog?
There he is.
Bernie.
Shop dog Bernie. Got the bars.
Ooh, back from 503 BMX and powder coating.
Nice and black. And got
Your freaking $30 air cleaner.
the gas box air cleaner. It just comes regular metal, so I had it powder coated black.
Sick, that looks good.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna do a washer in here.
A little chromey.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be cool. Just kind of give it a little bling piece.
But I'm gonna take that chrome washer and I'm gonna do something to do with Grateful Dead on the washer. Probably like a Grateful Fred sticker or something, and then drill through it. And then replace this screw with like just a chrome bolt or something.
Yeah.
Just a little, it'll just be
like
a little Grateful Dead piece of
like a chrome 12 point, little ARP.
No ARPs for me.
Josh is Mr. Anti-ARP.
Yeah, I thought they looked cool, and then they became the cool thing, and then I was like, you kind of look like you're trying to be like everybody else when you're just like, my whole bike's got ARP on.
Yeah.
Not there's anything wrong with it. They're expensive, and sure they're like super strong and tough or something, but
just throw a flathead in there and be done with it.
I'm honestly, I think I'm gonna do something I can grab with a wrench, just in case.
Yeah, I mean something that you can be able to tighten on the road.
On the road. If I did have Allen keys, but almost everybody always has some sort of an adjustable wrench.
Oh, the riser boys. Nice.
Just some little basic risers.
These were what, like 20 bucks, Amazon?
Yeah, I got these because I didn't know I needed to get them on the bike. I don't know where I need my bars.
Yeah, you don't know how tall you want them.
Yeah, so I was like, $20. This will get them on the bike at its like basically lowest point, and then I can imagine higher if I want higher.
Which
but
I honestly don't think you're gonna need it.
I don't think I'm gonna need
these
it
are
either.
what, like 12s or 14s?
Especially considering I'm extending my forks, so that will raise them up.
Yeah, just all of it.
So yeah, I went with these, and at $20, these were just to get me by until I find something I think's really sick.
Well, just like
there's not anything I've seen for sale that I've been really stoked on. It's more one of those things I think I'm gonna find like at a swap meet or something.
Yeah, you're just gonna come across like, oh, those are cool.
Yeah,
you know, like
oh, those got character. Yeah, I'm gonna put those on. And I'm also unsure whether I want to do black or if I want to do chrome risers. Because it'd just be just a little touch of chrome right there at the bottom, but maybe the all black will look good. I don't even know if I'm gonna like the ape hangers. I have T-bars on there right now, so it's all. I got these for $30 at the swap meet, and it was about 40 to powder coat them black. So I'm at $70 with brand new bars.
Yeah, brand new bars.
Can't beat that.
You're at $30 for the air cleaner, and you're at like $20 for the risers. So you're at $90 for a whole handlebar setup. It's a pretty good deal.
Handlebar and
$120 handlebar air cleaner.
All right, get some bikes out of here.
Good, the little ramp, nice.
The people I rented this house from were like, yeah, do whatever you want. Which means, I don't care about this place, including getting it ready for you to live in.
Yeah.
When I first moved in here, I brought my Dyna in here. I got the chopper in, and then I brought this, and then it sunk through the floor. So I had to put this freaking flooring down.
Completely just broke I mean, this stuff's probably just waterlogged through the years and just probably so old from when this thing got. I mean, you could just tell how old this thing is just by looking at it.
I had to come in here and get 1,000 wasp nests, do a full freaking pest control situation on it. Yeah.
Do you need me to push or kind of just like support the rear as it's going down?
No, I'm good. I do this by myself.
Nice.
Ta-da.
Sick.
There ain't always somebody here to help me.
It's true.
Ta-da!
Sick.
That's that.
All right, first things first. I'm gonna try to get this grip off. Controls next. I'm gonna start taking the rest of this guy off.
How the hell am I gonna make this happen? I would just buy a new set, but I don't have money for that. There we go.
Nice, you're getting there.
It's like an inchworm.
Yeah. I was wondering too, I mean, maybe you could try hitting it with like your heat gun a little bit, warm it up.
Nah, not necessary. If anything, that's gonna make it stickier, I think. This will work. It's gonna take a little bit. It's gonna beat the grip up a little bit, but that's okay. Eventually, let's buy a new set. I don't have enough miles on this thing to justify buying a new set. But
Do you want to push back while I like try to twist?
there you go.
Dope.
The other thing we might have to do today is cut my bars, because before I put the grip on, they need to be as wide as they're going to be. And I don't think we're going to run them that wide, and they're already wide at the top. Not
How much wider are they than this? I mean, they definitely look a tad wider. Yeah, so they're maybe like an inch on both sides, an inch and a half, 2 inches.
Yeah, 2 inches on each side. But once I get them mounted, I'll have a little bit better of an idea. Okay, tools.
Thing freaking caught fire. Look at that hole. You guys see that?
Flame like 2 feet out of it.
Oh, that's insane.
Which was crazy. I started, it's never done this before, but I started it and it shot flames continuously out of the exhaust for like, it was touching the wall of that out of it. And I was like, holy shit. And then I revved it and the flame stopped and then went whoosh, boom, and shot a 2-foot flame ball out of this thing.
Crazy.
And then it caught on fire from that flame ball. I was like, ah!
Go! Nice, dude. That's funny. That's crazy.
I would have been so sad if my chopper would have burned down.
No, it wouldn't have, dude. You would have sacrificed yourself for it.
I mean, sometimes fuel catches on fire or something, it gets out of control real quick. I don't have a fire extinguisher in here. It would have went south real quick.
Oh, is that the right size?
Yeah, it's the right size. I just can't get it because this is in the way of this because I need to be down here to slide next to it, but I don't have an extension. Maybe I'll be able to loosen this one alone and get it off.
Can this come in like this?
It doesn't matter. This is still in the way. It's making it go at an angle. I don't know if that worked. Good job. Either way, I need an extension. All right,
Now you need a Phillips. Get this damn clutch off. One of the first times power tools has been used on CROOKS Moto.
Yeah, ever.
For bolts. Let us know in the comments if you guys got any cool projects you're doing this winter.
Those riser bolts are 3/4?
3/4, yeah. If you got the 3/4 wrench, that'll work.
Yeah, that's all I got. This is why it's gonna take forever. I would go buy something before I use a crescent wrench in here anyway. Crescent wrenches have their place. Nothing wrong with a crescent wrench. I like a crescent wrench. But in this type of tight business, oh, that ain't no fun for anybody.
All right, bars off. Throw the risers on. Dude, yeah, that's a pretty good size. I'll tighten up the riser bolts. Bars are going on. You.
Try to get them even.
Whoa. Whoa, ape hanger bike now, dude. Looks cool. It's different. I do like the black bar to black sissy bar. Like the two bars that are kind of sticking up of the bike. I do like that they're both kind of matching black. You don't have like a ton of chrome up here really, you know? I mean, you have your like chrome lever, I guess.
How they come in and they kind of match up with like the width of the forks.
Well, see, that's, if I ran apes, it would be something like this, like the skinny part. There's just enough bend to straighten out for the riser. Like that's how I would run a pair of apes for me. And truthfully, I would almost prefer like yours kind of this angle here. I would prefer a little sooner, like a little harder bend, just a little bit.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be comfy.
Oh, with the powder coat, guys, it's a little thicker than what the clutch is wanting to kind of easily mount on. We're gonna have to kind of get it in the right spot and just cinch her on down.
I hate that.
Yeah, you're gonna have to like maybe get a little zip tie or something.
Dude, this thing's starting to vibrate so much when the bike's running. I'm honestly like kind of stoked on it.
Should be.
I think it looks good.
Yeah, I think so too.
I was very, very worried about how it would turn out, but it looks way more chopper now.
I think so too. Well, it just has a different vibe than it had before. It's just kind of styled different, and like instead of having just all this chrome up there, now you got kind of black riser, black bar. It goes with the black sissy bar. The chrome in the front and the chrome in the rear kind of did a thing, and now the black in the front and the black in the rear does a thing. So I think it's cool. All right, on to the air filter. We're gonna try our luck here to attempt to get this off without taking off the whole bracket. You might have to pull this up, potentially off, so it has clearance for that nut to come all the way off the threads. I think I've done that before.
See if we can't like move it around or manipulate it or something.
You could pull off this. As you pull this out, it would spin it off. All right, managed to get it off. Had to crank this, get this nut off here, and then pull this guy as we were loosening the nut up here and managed to get it off. Trick tip if you guys have these lowbrow crap covers. They do look cool, especially the chrome one. The chrome one does look cool. Provides a cool texture, but nonetheless. And out of all places, they put the nut right there. Could have just put it right here.
I'm gonna buy an Amazon Carb.
Chikuni?
No, I'm gonna buy a CV. I've been waiting to hold, I've been holding off on that. It's like 60 bucks, I can get a black CV carb from China. And it comes with the metal freaking 90 out of here, the brass 90 out of here.
Yeah.
And there's options for colors up here, which I'll throw the clear one on, but murdered out CV carb. And then I've done a bunch of research on those CV carbs, and people are like, dude, they work. Yeah. Awesome. The only thing you do is change the jets out.
Yeah, the jets, you just can't trust.
He's like everything. He's like, dude,
the Chinese-made jets.
Like,
all right, guys, got the air cleaner on, nice and
dirty.
simple. 3 little bolts for the inner bracket, and then a freaking single bolt on the out.
Now,
she's on there.
Do we want to adjust the?
We definitely want to play with the carb for a sec. Well, I would say start it up because we need to get it a little warm before we start really being able to like jock with it and make like reasonable adjustments. All right, little test ride. Josh's gonna go rip it around the corner. We just kind of dialed the carb a little bit. And he's gonna go try it out. I guess we'll see how it actually feels though. Because Josh has been having like popping issues and stuff with acceleration. Maybe sounds like he's still having that issue. Yeah, we've done a lot of freaking work on it. I mean, it's a whole different carburetor. Oh, here he comes now.
Hey, shit.
Yeah. Chopper man, dude, look at this thing, dude. It looks good, dude. Ah, I like that air clean. That's nice. All right, guys, Josh is gonna dial his carb a little more. Yep. Still kind of dealing with some popping issue. Dealing with this issue for like a year at this point.
We haven't really been dealing with for a year. I just got over working on it because I worked on it nonstop for weeks. It's the only thing I did and dreamt and thought about. And then I just gave up and started just riding it around.
Yeah.
We'll figure it out eventually.
Yeah. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed a little bit of freaking chopper content for the day.
Yeah.
The new bar setup, the new air cleaner. I think it looks great, dude.
Yeah.
I think it came out really cool. Shout out to Swap Meets that you can score rad parts and then your powder coat, homie, and make some Swap Meet part look brand new.
Yeah.
It looks brand new on the bike.
Yeah, I mean, it was brand new when I bought it. Nobody ever ran them.
Yeah.
It's weird not being like straight like this and riding my chopper. I'm kind of like this now. It feels a little ultra more comfortable, and my bars are right here instead of up above my head.
Thank you guys for tuning in to CROOKS Moto today. We appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Deuces.